Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you will be fine and healthy. Good day to all of you, and you are welcome to my computer class. I'm your computer teacher. My name is Anis for you. In today's class, we are going to discuss chapter number 2, and the chapter name is Pioneers of Computer. We have already learned about the earlier computers in our previous lecture. In today's lecture, we will discuss the inventions of Charles Babbage and Hermann Hollerith. So first of all, maintain the index with today's date, that is 27th May 2021, and the topic is chapter number 2, Pioneers of Computers. I know all of you know who is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is called the father of the modern digital computer. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, designed the difference engine in 1823, followed by the analytical engine in 1834, which he tried to program to do any kind of calculation. He is known as the father of the modern computer because all computers today are based on his plan and ideas. So, step by step, we will learn about the difference engine and analytical engine in detail. First of all, we will learn what is a difference engine. So here you can see the pictures of difference engine. The difference engine is a mechanical calculator first developed by Charles Babbage in 1823. It is capable of computing several sets of numbers, like it can calculate several sets of numbers. It is a type of simple mechanical computer. It can perform the addition functions only. It has the ability to perform only addition function. Okay, it is a calculator and it computes mechanically, like it calculates mechanically. Okay, the next one is analytical engine. Okay, the analytical engine is an automatic mechanical digital computer controlled by program. So what is computer programming? Computer programming is a group of instructions that are given to the computer to process or execute data. So these instructions are typically used to solve a problem or to make larger problems shorter and easier to solve. So programmings are the sets of instructions that are given to the computers. Okay, it would be able to perform any calculation set before it. It is a general purpose computer system. So what is the general purpose computer system? A general purpose computer is a computer that is designed to be able to carry out many different tasks. So the analytical engine can perform additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Okay. The analytical engines is much more than a calculator. Unlike difference engine, that is only a calculator, and difference engine could only perform additions. But the analytical engines can perform additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Okay. So there is no evidence that anyone before Babbage had ever thought of such a device. Okay. The last one is Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith invented the tabulating machine in 1890 and started the computing tabulating recording company. So the company which he started was the computing tabulating recording company, and this company was later known as IBM. So what is IBM? IBM stands for International Business Machines Corporation. IBM is a company from the United States that makes and sells software, computer hardware, etc. and IBM is the biggest information technology companies in the world. Okay, let us learn about tabulating machine. So, what is tabulating machine? In 1890, Hermann Holler developed the tabulating machine. So, what is the meaning of tabulating? It is the machine which has the ability to organize and summarize data. And he was the founder of the tabulating machine company, as I told you before, that later became IBM. The tabulating machine was an electromechanical machine designed to assist in summarizing information stored on punch card. So, as I told you that tabulating is a machine which has the ability to organize and summarize data. He used a punch card to give instruction to it and store data. So we will learn what are the punch card. Here you can see the pictures of the punch card and the punch card machine. Punch cards are also known as Hollerith card or IBM cards. Punch cards are paper cards where holes may be punched by hand or machine to represent computer data and instructions. They were a widely used means of inputting data into early computers. The cards were fed into a card reader connected to a computer, which converted the sequence of holes to digital information. So in punch card, computer data is represented by hole. These holes are widely used in inputting data into early computers. So the tabulating machine was used to sort or count the census data. Census data means the regular occurring or regular counting of the data. This introduces a large data which has to be continuously counted regularly. So this introduced the concept of storage devices into the evolutions of computer because it has the ability to store data. And so these were few devices, few inventions that led to the development of today's computer. So that's all for today's lesson. And what you have to do, try to read the topic and watch the video times and again until the topic is clear to you. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.